Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing hi-hat barks, but we're going to be treating the open versus the close of it as different instruments within the groove. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're at the kit. We're continuing our conversation on polyrhythms, specifically taking polyrhythm patterns and turning them into linear grooves. So we're going to get a little more advanced this week and by starting to incorporate our left foot into the mix. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing hi-hat barks, but we're going to be treating the open versus the close of it as different instruments within the groove. So let me demonstrate what I'm talking about. Let's take that basic 3/2 pattern we were working on. And now I'm going to incorporate an open as one note and then a closed as another. Super funky and super useful. You can take it and start that same groove on a different instrument and get a completely different groove. You can combine them and get some different ideas. Lots of options. Try it out, and I'll see you guys next week.